Hello everyone. I just want to say a huge well done everyone for completing GCSEs, getting your results now. I just wanted to make this video so you can all comment your results. Tell me what you got, tell me what you're happy with, what you weren't so happy with, you know, how happy you are overall. Comment any lessons learned too, because that's the most important thing. A-levels are more important than GCSEs. So the lessons you take from GCSEs straight into A-levels is going to help you loads. I'm offering an A-star crash course, which I've promoted a lot. The link's going to be in the description, because now, after GCSE results day, now is the time to turn your focus towards A-levels, okay? They're more important, they're more difficult. You need to put in work from the start. So this crash course, and obviously all my content and videos that I'm going to be uploading, will detail how you can hit the ground running, what mistakes I made in my A-levels, what I would do again if I were to go back, the most efficient revision techniques, how to do well in year one, you know, get A-star predicted grades and stuff like that. So I'd really recommend signing up for that. But yeah, just a huge well done. I know it can feel really good. I know it can also feel worse, and you can feel shocked. I was shocked by my A-level results because, as you've probably seen, I got a B in history when I was expecting an A-star. I got A-stars in the other subjects. So I literally do know how it feels to be shocked in your results. So I'm happy to talk to anyone about that, because I have kind of got over it a little bit. I do feel a lot better about that. I'm going to get it remarked. So if you're really shocked and you're close to grade boundaries, definitely look into getting it remarked. Email your teachers, talk to your teachers, talk to people you can. And yeah, thank you very much, guys, for all of your effort during GCSEs and all of your support for my channel in particular. I really hope I helped, and it would be nice also, because I'm also going to be doing GCSE content. So if any of you people who've been through it can comment in those videos when I do them, help people out, that would be really good as well. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And once again, well done.